A mantra is a word, phrase, or sound that we use to help our mind calm down, giving us the ability to focus better. Your mantra can be anything, but for the sake of this course on happiness, let's use a positive mantra. Something like clear and bright, peace and joy, inner peace, or even just stay happy. Your mantra can be anything easy to repeat, so pick something positive and joyful. Feel free to pause this recording if you need time to pick your positive mantra. So, when you are ready, let us sit comfortably and gently close our eyes. Relax your whole body and take in a deep breath. Allow the cool, calming air to help you relax. Once you're relaxed and comfortable, let us gently say our mantra in our mind. Let the sound come from within you, like it's coming from your center. The mantra will help us center or calm our mind when it begins to wander. Clear and bright. Clear and bright. Clear and bright. Your mantra is your tool to help your mind calm down and be at ease. So stay with it as you work to calm your mind of other chatter. Clear and bright. Clear and bright. Clear and bright. Now, let us continue in silence. Now, let us take in one more deep breath and slowly and gently coming back. Take your time. You don't need to completely come out yet. Notice how you feel right now that we have finished our meditation. The mantra is a good tool to help us release and relax, allowing our mind to have a gentle focus. Sounds give a nice vibration, which make us relax and feel at ease. So as you continue to practice, feel free to use the mantra to help you relax and bring your mind back. Picking a positive mantra is especially helpful for bringing your mind to a state of positivity and happiness.